Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I do want to give a huge shout out to my boy Nance. He's a rapper from South Carolina. If you have not listened to his music, I highly suggest going and checking it out. He has some really good songs. I will link his channel and his Instagram in the description below. Please go give him a listen. I promise he will not disappoint. What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 350 Sesames that I got from LootVGO a couple days ago. If you have not seen that video, I definitely recommend going and giving it a watch. I got these Yeezys for only $30. It was my first hypebeast case on the site, and I actually got a pair of Yeezys. Without any further ado, let's open these things up and see if they're legit. So for the time being, I don't have another camera at the moment. This is going to be the only angle I have, unfortunately. So I did already open the box. I was pretty excited and I didn't know what they were, but then I saw on the label that it said wax inventory system or something like that, so I immediately knew what they were. Alright, so here on top we have a label. I don't know what it's called, a shipping label. Yeezy 350s V2 Sesames 9.5. They have them priced at $340, not market price. But the box only cost me $30, so I'm okay with that. Alright guys, so we do have a 350 box in here. At first glance it looks pretty good. I do hope they got them from StockX and there's a StockX tag on it. If not, we're gonna have to do a pretty good legit check. So as you can see, we got a 350 box, size 9.5 Sesames. I'm not too sure what this tag is. It looks like it's something for their system, maybe. The label looks good. The little guy looks good. I can compare it to my other 350 boxes once we get into it. So I'm just opening up the box right now. All right, guys. So here we have the shoes. They feel a little bit light. The boosts down here looks pretty good. I mean, it's definitely a little firm to be boost. That's interesting, actually. The tag looks good. US 9.5. Another thing is there's paper in the actual shoe, which is good because Yeezys don't come with cardboard. The print inside looks pretty good. I don't I don't think they passed the smell test. They smell pretty chemically. Let's check out the other shoe. Here we have the right foot. Looks identical to the left, pretty much. Boost down here looks alright. I'm not gonna smell them again because the last one smelled of chemicals and it was not good. It's not a pleasant smell. Oh god. Why did I do that? Yeah, this one smells even worse. Let's take a look at the insole and see how that looks. Inside the shoe looks pretty good. The stitching all lines up. Insole looks pretty good. The Adidas is pretty vibrant. So the insole looks pretty good. I'm actually gonna go run and grab one of my other V2s and we'll compare it to that. So I got my cream V2. We'll compare it. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty right now. I need to do some clean work on it, but let's see how these look. So I'm gonna go ahead and say these are 100% legit. They get the legit check from me. Everything lines up. I'm just gonna assume that the glue on the bottom is just manufacturer error, but that's no biggie. I can clean that right off. I do kind of wish these were my size because I didn't realize how good of a color they were, but I guess I can get them on StockX for pretty much retail. So it's kind of crazy. I got these for only $30, which that is insane luck. And please guys, don't go on there and play expecting you're gonna pull something crazy like this. I just happen to be getting very lucky that day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more, and be sure to check out Nance, linked in the description below. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out. Why can't I say this word? I got them from LootVGO. Why is my hair tripping, bro? Why can't I open a box? Where's the audio? We out here, bro. We got the Nance hoodie going on.
run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumble, dude. Why your girl eyeing me? Wish she wasn't stuck with you. I look in the mirror like, can't nobody fuck with you. Dances on the up and up, ain't no way I'm